want to ask you a question. What do we do with pencil shavings? So most of us throw the pencil shavings in the bin. Today I'm going to show you some cool things that can be done with pencil shavings. Hello everyone. My name is Gulnaaz and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, click on the subscribe button so you can get more new regular updates. So friends, do you know what are pencil shavings? Pencil shavings are like this. Can you see? So now I'm going to show you how to make pencil shavings. So to make pencil shavings, you need a sharpener and a pencil. Just sharp the pencil. Okay, pencil shaving. Oh yeah, good pencil shaving. Okay. This is called a pencil shaving. So friends, I already have a lot of pencil shavings. Okay. So for this activity, you need an A4 size sheet and glue. So you can paste the pencil shavings on the A4 size sheet. Let's start this fun activity. Yay! Okay, I'm going to draw one ballet girl. Okay, nice hair. Some curly and fantabulous hair. So friends, you can draw anything in your imagination. I'm drawing 4 ballet girls. Okay, it should be looking beautiful. Make eyelashes. So friends, all the designs should be neat and beautiful. Okay, so I'm done drawing the first girl. Now I'm going to show you how to paste the pencil shaving on the A4 size sheet. I'm going to get a little bit of pencil shaving. Put glue on the pencil shaving now. Okay. Stick him up, stick him up. Woo-hoo. Stick him up, stick him up. Woo-hoo. Okay, I'm done pasting the glue on the pencil shaving. Now I'm going to show you how to paste it. Okay, be carefully, slowly, and nicely. Wow, friends, this looks amazing. The skirt already looks like a real pencil shaving skirt. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. This is real. I'm going to make 3 more ballet dancing girls. Okay. This will have very, very long hair. And with a bow with a heart. Beautiful. To do this, you need a lot and lot of practice. Okay, this should be perfect. And believe me, practice makes us all perfect. I can do this. Candy cane bread. Bumblebee, 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 bumblebee. Cooling off. Friends, I need to make one more ballet dancing girl. Okay. Now So everyone, your drawing needs to be neat and beautiful. Okay, I need one more. I'm going to show you how to paste the pencil shaving for the last time. Okay, now I will complete everything. Okay, so I'm done making the 4 ballet girls. How do you think? Do you want a closer look? Okay. So friends, hope you like this video and don't forget, don't waste pencil shavings. Use them for fun crafting just like I did. Okay? Hope you like this video and hope you enjoyed a lot. Bye everyone. And these 4 ballet girls are saying bye too. Bye. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.